Here I have another Myosopsis M&A in Puerto Rico in the sector of El Verde on the western side of El Jonque, facing Rio Piedras. Let's get a close-up of the leaves. This particular one I can at least get up there. Hurricane Tomas just went by the other day, just November 7th, 2010. I'm in a tropical storm that's related to the past hurricane that just went by. Pretty large. It's a really large tree. See, here's my knee. Relationship to the tree itself. I've fallen a few times trekking through this forest here, these woods. And thunder's in the distance. Thank you very much. Myosopsis M&A. It's the Latin term. In the Congo, named maybe the umbrella tree, but there are a few other trees also with that term, so it can be confusing, so I don't want to confuse the tree. And then somewhere else in Africa there's another name. Now here we have a Bromeliad growing right out of a tree here. I have an extension on my camera so I can actually get the camera right on top of the Bromeliad, which I will do. I'm roughly 3/4 of a mile off the road, deep into the woods, down the mountain. Just got a close up too with it focused down.